Okay, I have just two quick problems that I want you to add to your notes. And if you don't have room, just go on to the next page. Um, so we might have something like this. It says the following point is a solution to a direct variation equation. Write the equation and identify the constant of variation. So there's two different ways we can do this. We know this is a solution to our equation. So two different ways we can do this. We can take our point and we can plug it into our formula y equals kx. So y is 8. We don't know k. We know x is 6. And so I'm going to solve for k. And that means that my k, my constant of variation, if I reduce that, would be 4/3. And so then that means that the equation would simply be y equals 4/3 x. So there's my equation. There is my constant of variation. So that's one way to do it. Take the point, plug it in. We also know that if this is direct variation, that the constant of variation is simply y over x, right? That's what we ended up getting when we solved this. So you can just quickly write y over x and simplify that to 4/3, and then we would still get the equation y equals 4/3 x. So just a quick, easy way, either way, to get the equation. Okay, here's another one. If I give you the point 936 and I tell you that it's a solution to a direct variation equation. What's the constant of variation? And write the equation. So again, the quick, easy way, if we can remember that our constant of variation is simply y over x, then I can take my y and put it over my x, and I see very quickly that my constant of variation is 4. And so therefore our equation would be y equals 4x. If we have trouble remembering to do y over x, then we can still always take our point, plug it in for x and y, and solve it a little bit more algebraically. But we still get the same result. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I showed you the cards that I wanted you to identify as direct and non-direct. So in your notebook, if you will go to the next page and divide this so that you have a column for direct variation and one for non-direct, and cut out those pieces and glue them or tape them into your notebook according to how you think they are. When you think you have them separated correctly, then you can check the picture there in Canvas that shows you how you should have it, and make sure you fix. But don't cheat. Don't look before you actually do it, please. And then after you finish that, then you need to get started on your assignment.